Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're doing a collaboration with my girl Ashley from My Full Figured Life. Yes, y'all, I'm telling you, you got to go over there and check out Ashley's YouTube channel. This woman can definitely cook her tail off no matter what. I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, go over there and see for yourself. So we're doing a loaded baked potato collaboration. I need you to go check out and see the creation that Ashley has put together on her channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos on her channel. I'm doing a shepherd's pie loaded baked potato. So let me share the ingredients with you right now. 2 large russet potatoes, 80-20 1-pound ground beef, 1 bag of frozen mixed vegetables, sharp cheddar cheese, beef broth, worcestershire sauce, 1 small onion chopped, tomato paste, minced garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and Spain spices herb and garlic seasoning. We're going to take a fork and poke some holes in our baked potatoes, and we're going to set our stove at 400 degrees and bake it for 1 hour. Then we're going to take us a black skillet and heat that skillet up on medium-high heat. And we're going to add in our ground beef, and we're going to brown the ground beef, and then we're going to also toss in our onions along with our minced garlic. And we want to cook this meat until it browns, and we're going to move to the next step after that. Now our meat is brown, and we're going to add in all of our ingredients except for our mixed vegetables. I'm telling you right now, y'all better get ready to gear yourself up for something delicious because it's good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's really good. So try this here recipe, and I'm telling you right now, you'll never bake baked potatoes the same. Now at this point, I would definitely love for you to cook this here meat for 5 to 7 minutes before you add your mixed vegetables. 5 to 7 minutes, that's all. Now at this point, all I need you to do is just allow this here dish to cook on top of the stove on medium heat, and cook it until some of your liquid evaporates. Once your liquid evaporates down a little bit, go ahead and turn your heat off and wait for your baked potatoes to finish cooking. After that, let's load these baked potatoes. I'm talking about stuff these baked potatoes. I was definitely eating this right here, man, even without the baked potatoes, and it was good. It was delicious. I'm telling you. After you've stuffed your baked potatoes, let's go ahead and dress this baby up with some cheese. Once we dress it up with cheese, I want you to put it in the broiler for at least 3 minutes and have your broiler set on high. YouTube family, listen here. I was eating that first baked potato. This is the second baked potato. I realized that that camera wasn't recording at all. So I said to myself, I got to go and take one for the team. So I almost devoured the second baked potato, which this is the second baked potato. Please, YouTube family, don't y'all run away so quick now. I want y'all to go over there and check out my full figured life. You understand what I'm saying? Go over there and see what Ashley is doing with her baked potato, because I'm headed over there right now. I know she's doing something good. But I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. Also, thank you for watching all of my videos. Here are a couple of more videos I would love for you guys to watch. Please comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. And also, love and not hate. Love somebody. Peace.